crackers.
Baby stuff.
Baby stuff.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got my friend Solina here. I'm in her kitchen today and I'm going to help her declutter her pantry. What we're going to do is pull everything out, give everything clean and organize it for her. If you're interested in watching more of these types of videos, I upload videos weekly to my YouTube channel and I do a lot of minimalism and mummy tips. So click that red subscribe button below and I'd love to have you join my channel. Alright, let's get into decluttering. So here is Solina's pantry before we started decluttering it. It's a really good space as far as pantries go. It's got lovely shallow shelves. Solina's made a good start at organizing this and she's got some great organizing products in there already. And I think it's just the usual thing of life gets busy and things slowly get untidier and you do tend to accumulate more stuff. The first step to organizing is always to declutter, otherwise you're just moving stuff around. So we started by clearing everything out of the cupboard. The contents of the pantry have been all put on the table and on the kitchen counter, and Solina has a rather impressive tea stash. If you need a cup of tea, this is the house to come to. But this is a good reason why you need to get like items together, so all your teas, all your baking products, all your canned goods, and then you can see exactly how much you have of each item. You can look at what's expired, throw out any expired goods, and then group things together and figure out if you've got a lot of duplicates and if you've been overbuying certain types of products. So once we cleared out the pantry, Solina gave the whole cupboard, all the shelves, a really good clean. Solina had a couple of these grey plastic baskets from Kmart and they're really cheap and sturdy and easy to clean. I had this Lazy Susan, which is a 2-tier Lazy Susan, so I brought this over and it fit perfectly in Solina's pantry and will be great for those sort of back corners of the cupboards where it's harder to reach things. Solina also found this really large Lazy Susan as part of a set of something. The Lazy Susan is perfect for, again, reaching stuff in one of those back corner shelves of the pantry. And this is what I always suggest. Instead of going out and buying heaps of organizing products, use what you have first and reorganize your pantry and start seeing what works for you and what doesn't, because you can always rearrange things and buy more organizing products later. So this is all the expired stuff that we're getting rid of. This is probably normal for when you do a big cull, you know, when it's been a long time since you've decluttered your pantry. Okay, so here is the finished result. Gosh, it looks so lovely and clean. So at the top is stuff that Solina doesn't use as often. We've got a tea basket which she mainly pulls out when she has visitors over. Some flours like buckwheat flour and things like that, gluten-free flours that she doesn't use as often, so that goes on the top shelf because it's a bit harder to get to. A box for all of her baking stuff, but we've put the plain flour in a separate container next to it because that is something that she's more often to get out on its own to cook with or bake with. But then when she bakes something that's a bit more involved, she can just pull out the baking box, put it on her counter and just use what she needs from that box and then put it all back. Cereal and nuts, all the canned goods, and a shelf like this. This is actually, I don't know if you can see on screen, but it's slightly angled forward so it's easy to get things out. And we've just put like products together, so all the canned fruit, we've got beans and pulses here, and things like canned tomatoes and tuna that she uses most frequently are the easiest stuff to reach. We've got rices and cereals,
And on the Lazy Susan, we've got everything on there facing out, so Solina can easily see what's on there and easily access that. On this Lazy Susan here, we've got spreads and honeys. We've got long life milk here, which once it's open it will go in the fridge. Some more cereals and rice. And in this basket, this is one of those Kmart baskets which you can just pull out. So we've left the lid off, making it easier to access stuff. Mainly noodles and pasta in here, but also some lentils. So we've just labelled that pasta and pulses. And then down here on the bottom shelf is all the stuff that her son can reach. So we've got snacks for the kids here, cereals, which her son can grab in the morning and feed himself breakfast. And then right in the corner we've got rice that isn't used as much. And then a container of biscuits. And then down the bottom we've got some boxes of things which aren't open yet, so more snacks, crackers, that kind of thing, taco kits, and then the potatoes, and that's another Kmart box there. So these cardboard boxes will eventually be replaced by plastic boxes. In the meantime, cardboard boxes are a good stand-in, and you can see I've stood up things like crackers vertically so you can fit more in the boxes. Plus you can also more easily see what is in them. Alright guys, so we have finished, and it took what, a couple of hours do you think?
Yeah.
To get it done, but it was fun doing it together because we had a good chat and a catch up while we did it, and I think it's looking pretty good. Are you happy with the result?
Love the results.
Oh good, I'm so glad. Selena's such a good friend. I just want to do a really good job for you.
Oh, well, thank you, Mel.
I'm glad that you loved it. Alright guys, well thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in seeing more decluttering videos from me, I'll leave a link over here to a playlist of decluttering and organising videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and of course remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!